All right, guys, Hemp sent us some pretty cool stuff. This is their 48-hour hydration body moisturizer. Now, I'm typically seeing stuff that's not 48 hours. See 12, 24 hours, kind of the going thing. But to see something that is 48 hours is pretty cool. It is their lotion and getting that extended release aspect. So this is going to include magnesium that is going to help soothe and relax. And it is their Serene Waters by Hempz Beauty Actives. So it says, no stress, just rest. Helps soothe aching muscles and promotes rest with magnesium, electrolytes, and Arnica, which is super cool. Check out what it does not include right there, which is going to be THC-free, paraben-free, gluten-free, vegan, 48-hour hydration, and dermatologist tested. So a couple things what you want to do is directions smooth generously over entire body daily. Okay, so this is a full body usage. Let's go ahead and see what kind of smell we're digging with here because I have not smelled it yet. My guesstimate is going to be some type of lavender, purpley, lavender grape style, but I can't imagine it being crazy overpowering if you're going to be having it on all day. So got a good cover here. I like something that you know is not really tamper-proof or any issues with that. That's important to me because you never know what you are getting these days. So let's go ahead and get this all the way off. Nice top on here. It shows you how to open it, be in the twist spot, but I like to just get a good smell by opening the full top up. Let's go ahead and see so we can take a look at it. So it's a white style. Ooh, that smells really good. I don't even know. That is definitely not a purple. Definitely a unique smell to it right there. Very different smell. It's got a lavender, got a grape, got a kind of like all that stuff. And it's got the pure hemp seed oil and shea butter in there. So I'm sure it is super rich. And you can see definitely rich, something you're going to lather on and make sure you apply generously. But overall, good smell. Something I'm going to be definitely checking out. Got stuff on already, so I'm not going to put any on tonight. But at the end of the day, we're going to give this a work through and see what it's going to be like. I'm curious about the magnesium, as the magnesium is hopefully going to help relax. We'll see. Got to soothe and relax with Hempz Magnesium Serene Waters. So definitely check it out.